In this video, I am going to show you how to find your wallet address on the MetaMask browser extension. If you don't have the MetaMask extension launched already, click on it and launch the extension. Next, input your account password and click on Unlock to access your wallet. On the MetaMask extension, click on the three vertical dots icon, which can be found at the top right corner of the page as seen in the screenshot or the video. On the pop-up menu, click on Account Details to load up information about your wallet. Click on Copy the icon right to the address to copy your MetaMask wallet address. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code using another wallet app on your phone's camera app and then copy the wallet address. With this, you have successfully found and copied your wallet address on MetaMask. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove MetaMask account. For any account created on MetaMask, no matter if you have one account or as many accounts as you have, the following steps will help you remove your MetaMask account. After logging into your MetaMask wallet, a very simple way to remove your account is by accessing the MetaMask portfolio. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and selecting from the drop-down menu to the Portfolio and View option. Once you have clicked the Portfolio View option, you will be directed to the MetaMask portfolio dashboard. Once there, from the menu on the left side of your screen, click on Settings and then Accounts. Once you access the Accounts page from Settings, you will see all the accounts ever created or imported by you in the MetaMask wallet. Here is the menu where you can delete accounts or remove important ones. Once you are sure you want to delete that MetaMask account, you must click on the three vertical dots next to that account and select Remove Account. When you click that option, you will be presented with a new window asking if you are sure you want to remove that account. If you are sure, click on Remove button. That account will disappear immediately and no longer be available on your MetaMask. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,